So as an enthusiast of both Lego building and Japanese culture, I was thrilled to get my hands on the Lego Icon Tranquil Garden Creative Building Set. This has over 1,000 pieces and it's rated for 18 plus. So this is a very challenging Lego set. However, it's absolutely beautiful. So from the moment I opened the box, it felt like you're transported to a serene Japanese garden setting. The set includes a variety of Lego elements, including very detailed plant pieces, decorative elements, architectural details, allowing the builder to create the peaceful atmosphere of a traditional Zen garden. The building process itself is therapeutic to me. This set definitely stays true to its theme. It's very authentic design elements, definitely give it a big pop and a wow factor to me. They definitely thought of everything in this set, all the little details, like for example, the arranged rocks, the flowing water features, the foliage, the meditation areas. This set definitely captures the essence of Japanese aesthetics and philosophy, making it a truly immersive building experience. In conclusion, I rate this a 5 out of 5. With all the details of this set, the immersion of it, the capturing of the Japanese culture, hit all the points here.